All right, guys, so check it out. We're here outside of a bowling alley to see if G1 can land a job. Oh, wow, this is pretty cool. So we asked the manager if G1 could do a quick trial shift. This is G1 here. He's looking for a job. Would you mind giving him a tryout? Maybe he can see if he can work at a bowling alley?
Of course.
She said yes, because clearly there's no HR department here. First task, shoe duty.
Man, I really like those shoes. Yeah, I really like your shoes. I do. Hey, you.
All right, it looks like we got ourselves a customer. Hey, how's it going?
Doing good, doing good.
You're here for some shoes, is that right?
I need a size 10.
Size 10. All right, G1, let's get ourselves a size 10. Seems easy, right? G1 grabbed the closest thing to a size 10, which was 7.5. Close enough, if you believe in optimism. Bruh. Okay, that did not work. G1, there you go. There you go. That's...
Unfortunately, it's not the right size. It's a little small for it.
It's a 7.5. Yeah, that's not gonna work. All right, G1, go ahead. How does that sound? Let's walk it out to him. Bruh. After a few fumbles and a dramatic shoe drop, we finally got it right. Sort of. Not really. So you're looking for a bowling instructor, is that correct?
Yeah, I was hoping he might be able to help out the young one.
So we found someone looking for a bowling coach. Naturally, we brought in the most qualified applicant, G1. All right, yeah, G1, let's see if you can teach him. Only problem is, he can't walk downstairs. Yet.
Bowling, bowling, put on your bowling shoes, get a lot of strikes and spares and you will not lose. Yeah, let's see if you can support a 6-pound ball. No, that's not gonna happen.
Bowling plan A, fail. Plan B, slide ramp for toddlers. Bingo. Let's see if you can do this. Oh. This is definitely a world's first. Oh, look at a little clap too. Nice job. And boom, he knocks some pins down like a pro. Or a very polite toddler. Same thing. Promotion sign. G1 gets suited up. A little bowling drip never hurts anyone. Tries to bowl again and hits a few pins. Okay, his form needs work, but his heart, 10 out of 10. G1 made some new fans, handed out birthday gifts, gave hugs like a robotic grandma, definitely a wholesome bot. So after a tough day at the job, we decided to check out the arcade in the building. G1 tried Dance Dance Revolution, but he's more of a wobble wobble confusion guy. Alright, yeah, let's see if G1 can land a claw machine. He gave it his best shot, but the claw said, "Not today, Metal Man." So what do you think, man? Do you think G1 got the job?
I think there's a lot of things it could be useful for. Unfortunately, working in the bowling alley, I don't see him being quite a good fit.
Well, at least it was a good attempt, right?
Absolutely.
Sorry, G1. Better luck next time, man. In the end, the job slipped through his mechanical fingers. But G1 didn't walk away empty-handed. He left with the experience and a used bowling shirt. Thanks for watching episode 3 of Robot for Hire. Be sure to smash that like button if you think G1 deserves a raise, or at least a job. Who knows where G1 will work next?